kaymade-tech here. All right, it's nice to have you back. So today we will be looking at scanning. I mean, in my previous video, we have looked at scanning, right? But today we will be looking at scanning using scripts. I will be using the Python script and a bash script in order to scan for ports, just a simple scan. Okay, first, as you are aware, this is just for tutorials, training purposes only. You do not have the right to scan if you do not have permissions. I will always encourage you to scan using a controlled environment. All right. I am in a controlled environment. If you need to get yourself a controlled environment, you can please go to my previous videos. So as you can see, I am in a controlled environment. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the Metasploitable VM, the OWASP BWA projects VM, my Kali Linux. All right. And let me just power up my uh, OWASP BWA. And remember, as you can see on the screen, it says that this VM has many serious security issues. We strongly recommend that you run it only on the host only or NAT network in the VM setting. So as you can see, I'm using the host only. It's not recommended to use this on your home network. Otherwise, it could lead to a hacker exploiting that. Okay, the username and the password. All right, so we'll just quickly run ifconfig. Awesome. Okay, I will also verify that my Metasploitable VM is up. All right, so I have the both IP addresses, and now I will bring up my Kali Linux. So the first thing I'll do is I do have the script. So let's go here. So I have the ports underscore scanner.sh. So let's go to cat port underscore scanner.sh. So this is the script. This is the script. So it says simple port scanner script usage dot backslash port scanner dot sh, which is bash, target IP, start and end port. So we're gonna use this. I'm gonna use this on my OWASP BWA VM. So it says the usage that's dash port scanner dot sh 192.168 168.56.131, and let's do from port 20 to 100. Is this saying invalid? Okay, let's do from, sorry about that, I put dash. Okay, so port 80 is open, port 22 is open. So this tells us between the range I did between 20 to 100, we have two ports open, as you can see. If we increase the range, it's possible we'll get more ports. So let's do 1000. But the only sad thing about this is that it's going to increase all this. So we have to search through. Yeah. All right. So we have to search through. But when we run nmap sv 192.168.56.131, it will tell us the ports opened. So we can easily compare it with our scripting file that we use to scan the port. All right, so as we can see, tells us port 22 is open, port 80, 139, 143, 443, 445. So if we go here and look for some of those ports, 139, let's scroll up, or 443, it should tell us that it's open. Okay, 443 is opened, as you can see it here. Port 445 is also open. So it lists out all the ports, and it gives us all the ports. This port 143 is also open. Port 139 is open, and go to 80 and 22, I believe. So, but that exposes us to a lot of screen display. Unlike this, just gives us the open ports. That gives us the list of all the ports, either open or not. I think I should be able to um, edit and develop the script in order to give us just the open port. All right. I just wanted to show you how to use bash scripting to scan. All right. The next thing we are going to do, we are also going to use Python script. So we have our Python script there. So let's do cat port scanner.py. All right. So this is the script. All right. And now we can run the script for, let's run it for Metasploit table. So we're going to do Python 3 port scanner.py. Py is the Python extension. So anytime you see py, you're going to see that's a Python file. Anytime you see .sh, you know that's a bash file. Once you see ps1, that is PowerShell. Once you see .r, that is Ruby. 192.168.56.122 dash p dash 20 to let's do 10,000. Okay. All right. So this script gives us just the open port within that range, and it gives us the services. So you see port 21 is FTP, port 22 is SSH, port 23 is Telnet, 25 SMTP, 53 domain, 80 HTTP, etc., etc., etc. We have my SQL here. We have our Postgres SQL, and we have our NetBIOS-SSM, Microsoft. So these are all the ports. So this is how you run a port scanner using either the bash script or the Python script. All right. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, please share, and please also subscribe if you have not. Look out for our next video, and thank you.